The market for interactive digital publications is rapidly growing, and there is a fast increasing demand for good digital publications for children and teens. With its interactive multimedia publications, Lucky Media wants to become a global actor within this market. Lucky Media's interactive publications are especially designed for electronic platforms, and the publication's interactivity and multimedia form will give young readers a new and exciting reading experience. Films, photo galleries, games, animation, electronic quizzes are just some of the exciting features Lucky Media's interactive magazines can offer. In addition to interactive magazines, Lucky Media's publications will also include interactive children's books, digital comics in the form of comic book serials, graphic novels, and motion comics. All of Lucky Media's products are multilingual and will be distributed on a global market via app stores and other established sales channels. Affordably and easily reaching out to the international market makes it possible for a small company like Lucky Media to compete with the big established publishers over the global market share. This is something that gives the company and its partners good possibilities for value creation.